Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. Thank you very much. Um, Hello friends. How are you? How to make money of YouTube thumbnail? Just some information. The YouTube thumbnail. That knowledge. You can graphic design. The lot of work, lot of make money of YouTube thumbnail create. How to make money on Fiverr YouTube thumbnail. Just I have some description of YouTube. Create a YouTube thumbnail that can help you make money on Fiverr. Here are some steps you can follow step by researching popular YouTube thumbnail in your niche. Look at the colors, typography and design elements used in this thumbnail. You can use this thumbnail your niche. Look at color, typography and design elements used in thumbnail. Use a graphic design software as like Adobe Photoshop, the online software Canva or PicMonkey, the lot of software. You can need it, the Google search bar, the how to search, the YouTube thumbnail, create free on paid software. The lot of software provide the Google, your PC, your mobile, and you can the Android phone, the Play Store, search then how to make YouTube thumbnail apps. Lot of apps available in mobile. Okay. The usually graphic design software is like the Photoshop of the best, Illustrator Photoshop, the online software Canva or PicMonkey to create your thumbnail. Make sure it visually applicant and attention grabbing. Use a large or easy to read font for the title or videos. You can also use a subtitle and add more content to the thumbnail. Use high quality images that are the relevance to the videos content. Make sure they are client or not flexible. Add a call to action to thumbnail. This can be simple and editing. Watch now or click to view. Encouraging in concerts views to click on your videos. Save your thumbnail in high resolution format such as JPEG and PNG. You can give completely creating your thumbnail, buyer's thumbnail. You can buyer deliveries JPG or PNG file. Okay. Create a gig on Fiverr. You can completely YouTube thumbnail as graphic design your skill. The high skill uses your graphic design and Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Canva, etc. etc. Lot of mobile apps. The Play Store uses the design and graphic design is the YouTube thumbnail. You can completely YouTube thumbnail the your skill in hand, the high skill, high design, high quality thumbnail, high quality font, element, etc. etc. uses the design. You can do then of the skill completely the create a gig on Fiverr. Fiverr is an international marketplace. You can skill the design, graphic design and YouTube thumbnail. Same things your local market and international market and others market and social media sharing, social media marketplace as like of LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, etc. etc. But the highly marketplace, the Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer.com. The newly skill hand, the best marketplace on the Fiverr. You can completely your YouTube thumbnail expert, the high quality thumbnail creation and your YouTube videos, then making your user software Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator and Canva, PicMonkey, etc. etc. Same things, the Android software, your Play Store searches, the Play Store, the how to make the YouTube thumbnail software available. The lot of software provide your mobile on your Play Store. You can download and trying this the software as like lot of free software can uses in the Play Store. Completely, you're the highly skilled gather him. You can create a gig application and others. You can skill complete the so international marketplace, the local marketplace, your job, the highly to make money, the lot of make money, gain, the school, the YouTube thumbnail, then the creation gig on Fiverr. Fiverr this offer YouTube thumbnail design service. Okay, you can offer the Fiverr create a gig. First time choose the graphic design YouTube thumbnail design service. Your keyword related, your niche and increase sample of your work and attach portfolio this client. Remember to always deliver high quality work and communication effective with your client to build a strong reputation on Fiverr. To make YouTube thumbnail for make money on Fiverr, you can follow this step by rules and popular YouTube channel and thumbnail style. Get the idea, watch your work oil. Again repeat this talk. Use a design software, Adobe Photoshop, Canva, creating visually application thumbnail that standard out and caption class of videos. Keeping the mind YouTube thumbnail guidelines, including the recommended size as per intro. Consider using a client to attention and grumble title on the thumbnail that actually reflects the content of the videos. You can offer your thumbnail design service on Fiverr by creating a gig showcasing your portfolio of prevention work. Be sure to picture your service completely and provide excellent customer service to build your reputation to again repeat customer. Constantly improve your skill and stay up to date with the last design trend. Stay then of the competitors. Remember, creating high quality YouTube thumbnail can be able service to contract creation look increase their views and engagement on this platform. So it's important to put in the trial if you create visually and standard and effective thumbnail. So hello friends, how to make money on YouTube thumbnail creation. I am just sometime repeat this talk. Your highly skilled gather the YouTube thumbnail, creating the lot of online software, offline software uses your computer, your mobile. This is the highly skilled and the highly skilled gather then the key completely your YouTube thumbnail gig often or your offer Fiverr marketplace and Upwork marketplace, freelancing marketplace. and this local marketplace, and sharing your thumbnail, creating your design, your thumbnail design, the social media platform marketing as like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, etc. etc. The highly excellent market on Pinterest. You can print your design the Pinterest website, the provide them your print, create board, etc. etc. So my friends, you are how to make money, the simple work, the YouTube thumbnail design, and the how to make money. The thank you, best of luck, all of my friends. Your skill gather, they earn online money on marketplace.